Okay, so we're at Dewlay Cheesemakers today in Preston. We have just finished completing their extension with the brand new H-Guard system from our own Hamilton Industrial Flooring Resin line. So let's go have a look. So when we're talking about the H-Guard system and this floor in particular, it's completely seamless, completely impervious to liquids and chemicals. It's zero delamination. The adhesion strength with the substrate means it's not going to go anywhere. Towed in at the doors, expansion joints throughout, a really good, high quality, high strength floor. And the great thing about finishing with the floor with the H-Guard system is it cures to full strength within the hour, fast track delivery, fast track installation, and it means that they're up and running in no time. With the H-Guard system, it works so well in food factories and industries where you need durability, you need hygiene or slip resistance, a lot of traffic. It works well and it's going to be down for a long, long time. When you think of food production, it doesn't really get much better than this. You've got the H-System floor with a textured finish, real high slip resistance rating, R13 classification of slip resistance. Then you've got the continuous stainless steel curbing from M-Curbin. Nobody does a stainless steel curbing like them. Continuous lengths, no real welded joints anywhere, really hygienic. Then you've got the hygienic wall cladding and sealing from Kingspan. So when you look at food production, this is really what best in class looks like as far as floor, wall, ceiling, and a great project to be involved in.